So hi everyone, so welcome to Easy Tech Masters online classes, and today we are going to see the applications of the KCL. Yes, I will will try to solve one small problem by using KCL. Yeah, this is the problem. That is, what is the problem in the sense, find the power supplied by the 6 volt source when V0 is equal to 6 volts by using nodal analysis. Yeah, this is the problem. Yes, so how you can solve this problem in the sense, first what you can assume in the sense, he says that the voltage V0 is equal to 6 volts. That means this voltage is 6 volts. Then you can easily find out how much current passing here. First let me assume, find power supplied by the 6 volt source. That means power supplied in the sense P is equal to V into I. So here I know the V, that is 6 volt source, and I need to find out current I. Let me assume this is current I. Okay, wait 1 second. Yeah, like this. Yeah, let me assume this is current I. Then here the current is I1, then this current is I2, and this will be I3, and next let us assume this is I4, this will be I5. He has given the clue that how you can find out the value of current I5. How you can find the current value of I5 here? That is, voltage across 8 ohms is V0, it is equal to 6 volts. Then what is the current flowing through the 8 ohms here? It is also I5 only. Therefore I5 is equal to V0 by 8, or you can also write I5 is equal to V0 by, that means 6 by 8. So hence how much this value? 0.75 amperes. Yes, I know the I5. Now I need to find out I value. I value, if I want to find out I value, if I apply the KCL here, that is node 1, then it is I is equal to, that is sum of currents entering to the node is equal to sum of currents leaving the node. The currents entering to the node is I, and leaving the node is I1, I2, that is I1 plus I2. If I find the value of I1 and I2, so then I can easily find out I. So therefore I can find out the power supplied by the 6 volts battery. That means now my objective is to find out I1 and I2. How I can find? Let me assume here the voltages are, there are 3 nodes are there, node 2, node 3, node 3. So let us assume node 1 voltage is V1, node 2 voltage is V2, node 3 voltage is V3, like this. And here you can observe the super node is there. Where super node is exist? Super node is exist between 2 and 3. Yes, what do you mean by super node? Whenever the voltage source is exist between the two nodes, then those two nodes will be considered as the single node. That single node is called the super node. So hence we apply the KCL at super node directly. Okay, and here at super node, let me take, this is as you know V1 and V2, and this is V3. You can write V3 minus V2 is equal to 12, like that, because this plus is connected to V3, minus is connected to V2, hence I can write V3 minus V2 is equal to 12. Okay, so I am erasing this. Next, just you are seeing the circuit diagram, and here what is the current I5? I5 is equal to V3 by 4 plus 8. That means the total resistance in this branch, 4 plus 8. So hence V3 is equal to I5 into 12. Yes, I5 value is 0.75. Therefore, it is 9 volts. I5 is equal to 9 volts. And you know that V3 minus V2 is equal to 12. V3 minus V2 is equal to 12. So hence V2 is equal to V3 minus 12. Already you know V3 is 9 minus 12 is equal to minus 3 volts. Okay. Next, that means V2 I got. V2. Next, here if you observe this, V1. For V1, the voltage source is connected directly between node and ground. So hence you can write node voltage is equal to ground voltage. That is V1 is equal to 6 volts only. Okay. So then what is I1 here? I1 is equal to V1 minus V2 by 6. V1 in the sense 6, V2 is minus 3 by 6. Therefore, it is 9 by 6, hence it is 1.5 amperes. I1 I have. Next, what is I2? I2 is equal to V1 minus V3 by 12. So here V1 is, what is the value of V1? 6. V3 is 9 divided by 12. This is minus 3 by 12 minus 1 by 4 amperes. But it is not my objective. I want to find I and hence power supplied by the 6 volts. Then I is equal to, let us we apply KCL at node 1. Then if I is equal to I1 plus I2. Here the value of I1 is 1.5 and I2 is minus 1 by 4. This will be 1.25 amperes. Now how much power supplied by the 6 volt source? P is equal to VI. This is V in the sense 6 into 1.25. How much this value? 6 into 1.25. 1.25. This will be 7.5 watts. 7.5 watts. Yes, thank you for watching this. Keep watching this channel. Subscribe, like and share to your friends. Thank you.